Let's see what Plim Plim gets first. Plim Plim got a
yellow present!
Should we open it? Open. 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 Yes! It's a gingerbread Santa Claus.
Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with old Saint Nick.